Hello everyone, and welcome back to RR Consultancy Services. In today's tutorial, we are going to show you how to quickly and effectively change the theme designs of your PowerPoint slides. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to apply, change, and customize themes in Microsoft PowerPoint. So let's get started. Open PowerPoint and either create a new presentation or load an existing one. At the top of the window, you'll see the ribbon with tabs like Home, Insert, Transitions, and Design. Go ahead and click on Design. This is where all your theme options live. Right under the Design tab, you'll notice a gallery of different themes. Each theme comes with its own style, fonts, and color scheme. To apply one, simply hover over it and you'll see a live preview on your slide. If you like it, just click once and the theme will instantly apply to your entire presentation. Now, maybe you want a different look for just one slide instead of all slides. That's possible too. Select the slide you want, right-click on the theme in the gallery, and choose Apply to selected slides. This way, you can mix and match themes across your presentation. And that's it. Changing themes in PowerPoint is simple but powerful. A strong design can transform your presentation and keep your audience engaged. Thanks for watching this tutorial from RR Consultancy Services. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical tips. I'll see you in the next video.